Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good,
morning.
good morning. Very good. Everybody open your cameras, beta. All of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. I have muted all of you. First, everyone will open her or his camera, show me your face, and then I'll unmute you. Harsh
Good
Patel,
morning.
how come you are here? You have joined the wrong link. Check in the class, beta. There's some other period. Shelly Gupta, Unsha, okay, Arsalan has put his camera on. Shelly Gupta is not putting her camera on. Why?
Ma'am,
Very
because I'm taking my breakfast.
okay, but you can put your camera on, beta. What about Taranveer, Alak Pratap Singh? Children, see, can you mute yourself? Unmute yourself? No, you cannot. Okay, Taranveer, I'm waiting for you to open your camera. Good. Now, Akshaj. Okay, come. Children, we were doing question answers.
Good
Who is
morning.
Anshuli Singh? Is there any Anshuli Singh in your class?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Waiting room. Adhya Singh is there in your class? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Adhya Singh, beta, open your camera. Why does Jajat Gangwar want to join this class? Jajat, beta, this class is 4th A. You're supposed to join the link on class 4th B. You've joined the wrong link. Go and see there whose class it is. Okay. Children, everybody take out your Yajat, beta, go and join the other class. Taken out your social studies copies? Yes, good. Now we have done all the questions in answer the following in brief. Is it? We have done all of it? Yes. Today we have to start with answer the following in detail. Now, when we'll do these question answers in detail, you will see that this time the questions, the answers are really in detail. Now be ready to learn at least 1-page answers. Is that fine? Yes, you're big children now and you will have to learn these answers. But only if you understand these answers, you can write it in your own words. If you will try to just mug it up without understanding, it is going to be difficult. Once you understand these answers, you will be able to write it on your own. Okay? So anywhere if you feel that you're not being able to understand anything, what you will do? You will ask me. Clear?
Good
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody, good morning. Okay, Ankush Gautam is in this class? Yes, he is. All of you open your cameras. Yajat Gangwar, open your camera. Yajat beta, if you are not opening your camera, I will remove you from the class. First of all, you have joined the wrong link. This is not class 4th B. Go and see which teacher is supposed to be there. Secondly, you're not putting your camera on. So that means Yajat wants to be removed from this class. Okay, write down exercise E, answer the following in detail. And I'll just share the screen with you. What is the question? Describe the layers of the lithosphere. Now we have studied that there are different layers of lithosphere. There are 4 layers of lithosphere. Now they are saying us to describe these layers of lithosphere. Now if we will describe these different layers, what will happen? What will happen? Describing 4 layers of atmosphere, it will take up many lines. It will take up 1 page at least. Why? Because how you're going to explain the 4 layers? There's a layer on which human beings live, right? Then under that layer, there is another layer which is below continents and ocean beds. That is called mantle. Now, what is mantle made of? Made up of? What is the crust made up of? The layer that we live in is called what? It is called the crust. Now we have to, when we are describing anything, we have to tell what is the crust made up of. What is the mantle made up of? Then there is innermost layer of the earth of lithosphere, which is the core. Now core is also of 2 types, the inner core and outer core, isn't it? It is the hottest part of the earth. We cannot live there. So you have to explain all these things because they are saying us to describe. Now this is how, like we're in class 4, this is how from this class onwards, we are going to learn how to write big answers. Because by the time you will come in class 10th, what will happen? You will have to write big answers in answer in detail. So this is the beginning where we learn to write these long answers. Is it clear to all of you? Show me a thumbs up. Yes? Now, what I'm going to do is I'll share screen with all of you. In this chapter, we have not drawn any diagram till now. In the key points, I have not made you draw anything, isn't it? Why? Because in these questions, the detailed ones, there are diagrams that are asked from you. So we are going to draw diagrams. First, we will write the answer, then we will draw the diagram. Is it clear? Till then, till the time I'm sharing screen with all of you, go and hurry up, run and get your colors because you will need colors now. Okay, children, it's taking a little while in getting downloaded. Just wait. See, I'm using a copy which doesn't have blank pages. Okay, but your social studies copy is the one wherein you have one blank page and one line page. So what you will do, you will draw this diagram on the blank side. Is that clear to all of you? Now all of you can unmute yourself, and if you want to ask any question, better ask.
Ma'am, we have to draw. Ma'am, we have to draw at the black side, right?
Blank side, yes, you have to draw on the blank side. Ma'am, please tell which chapter number is this because I go out of station. Okay, Yuvraj Singh, this is chapter number 5 going on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Gauri, you have any question?
Ma'am, where is the diagram?
Beta, see, the diagram is given on which page? Layers of the lithosphere. It is on page number 32. Is it on 32?
Ma'am, question and answer.
Ma'am, it is on the 35 page number.
Ma'am, 35 page number.
Okay, 35 page number. I don't know. I don't have the page numbers. Let me just confirm.
Ma'am, but in my book there is on 32. Yes,
Ma'am,
Children, do one thing. Listen. Nobody will get confused. I will share the diagram also with you. First, write the answer. Don't be in a hurry to draw the diagram because I will share the diagram also with you.
Ma'am, I can draw with the sketch pen.
Ma'am, please share the answer of first one.
Beta, listen to me. Have you written the answer? Start writing the answer. We will talk about the diagram later.
Mummy.
Ma'am, we have to write also diagram of layer of it.
No, you don't have to write. You simply have to draw it. I have not drawn it, but you will have to draw it. I have just shown that diagram is to be made. You don't have to write it. And you will draw it on the blank side.
Ma'am, they are like the key points.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I can draw this box also.
No, beta, you don't have to draw this box. This is
Ma'am,
just
please. Ma'am,
to
please
show
write.
you that you have to draw a diagram. Yes, what, ma'am, please?
Ma'am, please write the second one answer.
Why? You don't have to do the first answer? Or have you already done it?
Ma'am, please scroll down. Yes, ma'am, please scroll down. I am on the third point. Yes, ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, this is. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Is there any Alankrita Yadav in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please scroll down.
And
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Okay, ask Peter, what are you asking?
Ma'am, I'm asking that please add questions in brief questions.
What?
Ma'am, please add questions.
I can't understand. Can anybody tell me what she's saying?
ma'am, I don't know. And ma'am, I have done for the first answer.
Okay, beta, let's wait for others to complete. Then I'll share the diagram with you.
Ma'am, I also complete.
Ma'am, this
Very
is question and answer.
Yes,
Ma'am,
this.
completed.
Oh
I'm
God.
done.
Who is asking me,
I'm
ma'am?
done.
This is question and answer. Who is asking me this? Tell
Ma'am,
me.
Yuvraj Singh.
Yuvraj, beta, where are you? We are doing question answers. Were you there? No, you were not there in the previous classes. We have done all the exercises. We have done question, answer the following in brief. Now we have come on to answer the following in detail. The first question.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
There is nothing below it, beta.
Sorry, ma'am, please scroll up.
Fine, is it fine? Shelly, is it fine now?
Ma'am, I have to see question.
Ma'am, we have to write this also.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have not done question number 2 in details.
No, beta, this is the first one that we are doing. You will do this
Okay,
first
ma'am.
question, and then you will draw the diagram. Then we'll move on to the next question. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, this is full answer number 1 or there is more?
No, beta, this is full.
Okay, ma'am.
That's all.
I am writing question number 2.
Yes, write down.
Ma'am, my copy has only 1 page left.
You have a new copy with you?
Yes, ma'am, but my this copy has only 1 page left.
Okay. So start the next answer. Listen, beta. Start the next question from a new copy. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Answer.
Yeah?
Ma'am, I'm doing first answer.
You have done, all of you have done.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, those children, listen. There are children who have joined the class very late. I'm not going to wait for them. I will send you the work in D group. You will do the work from D group because all the students who are punctual are not going to wait for you. Yes?
Ma'am, can I send my previous notebook in school? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
beta, you can send.
Okay, ma'am, I will send my both of my assistant notebooks.
Very nice. Very good. When are you going to send it?
Ma'am, I will send today. Ma'am, I will also send today.
You will send when? Today.
Yes, ma'am.
Cannot send
Oh,
the copies because I am.
Ma'am, what is this?
what is happening? I don't know. Wait.
Ma'am, can I send the PDF of the work?
PDF? Why? Why do you want to send the PDF?
And ma'am, what is the time till to ma'am
Yes?
send the work? Ma'am, what is the time? Ma'am, mean कितने से कितने बजे तक का time है?
God, who is asking me this question? Tell me. I want to name.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after writing answer one, like you draw a diagram, we have to also do
No.
like this.
No, you don't have to do like this. I'm telling you what you have to do. Wait. I'll share the diagram with you. You have to draw this diagram like this, the same way it is being shown on the screen. Now everybody please have a look at the diagram.
Ma'am, I can't see the diagram.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you have to draw the diagram as it is.
ma'am, I have sent something in chat box. Ma'am, are they saying that what is the time to submit our notebook?
Okay, what is the timing? Beta, what is written in the message? What is
My
written?
phone was got a backup yesterday, so ma'am, that's why I am asking.
Okay, I will let you know, beta, what is the timing of submitting the notebooks.
White page.
Yes, you have to draw it on the white page, on the white side. Okay, on the blank side of the page, you're supposed to draw it.
मुझे डायग्राम बनाओ.
There is Ansh Raj Singh in this class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Ansh Raj Singh, can you open your camera? Where is Ansh Raj? Beta, what is the time of your class?
Ma'am, he is not connected to the audio. When you are saying when the class over.
There are only 10 minutes left for the class to get over and you're joining the class now. After 30 minutes. Huh? For what good reason have you joined the class? May I please know? Why have you even joined it now?
Ma'am, I am joining 8:10.
Beta, I'm not talking to you, Unsha. I'm talking to Ansh Raj. Ansh Raj has joined the class right now. And he's not even connected to the audio. Praveer Singh, are you doing your work?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm doing the diagram. Ma'am, then now I'm considering it.
Ma'am, please share the screen of first answer because I don't write the third last.
Okay, beta, I will send the work on the class group. Don't worry. See, here it is, the third point.
Ma'am, I am coloring the earth.
Ma'am, I am drawing. So, ma'am.
Very good. Beta, drawing, you can draw it from the book also. I have shown which diagram is to be drawn. You can draw it from the book also.
the diagram. Ma'am,
Yes, you have drawn.
please share the diagram.
Okay, I'll share the diagram. Shelly, have you written the third point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I have done my diagram. It also color.
Very nice, beta. If you have done, now what you can do is you can simply start with the beautification because there is no time left. So I'll not share the answer right now. You have one more period today. I'm going to share the next answer in the next period.
Ma'am, I am coloring the land.
Good. Very nice.
Ma'am, now I am writing the name. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I am also done.
How many are still doing?
Ma'am, I am only coloring. I am writing the.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I have done.
Now you can start with the beautification.
Ma'am, I have done beautification also and I have done diagram also.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I have also done this.
Ma'am, the 1,000 books are made by one books by printing.
What?
Ma'am, the 1,000 books are made by printing one paper. One paper.
Okay, 1,000 books are printed. Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, by printing the one book's paper one by one.
Arsalan, I can't understand what you are trying to say.